In this video, we how to fix the Epic Game login error. It cannot login means we need to fix it. Now go to run and need to click run and go to run tab and you need to write a local app data. Yes, once click this screen will appear. In this you need to scroll down and go to Epic Game Launcher. Yes, need to go to Epic Game Launcher, not Epic Game. Okay, in this go to Epic Game Launcher and go to save. And after you need to see the web cache. Yes, this you need to delete this web cache. We have a lot of caches are available here, so you need to delete this web cache. So once you delete it, if deleted is okay. If it's not deleted, maybe background Epic Game is running, so that's why it's not deleted. So you need to go back and go to go back and go to task manager. Yes, right click in the tool and go to task manager. Yes, and this you need to scroll down and need to search the Epic Game is running in background or not. Scroll down, background processor is that. Scroll down and check. As you can see now, the Epic Game services is running in background. So you need to end task. All the Epic Games you need to end task. So after once completed, need to go to web cache and need to delete it. Now it's perfectly deleted. Yes, so don't delete other options or other folders. So after that you need to go to search tool and need to search for control panel. Yes, click it and click the control panel, and in this you need to see the program is there. Yes, click the program and click the uninstall a program is there. Click this. Yes, click this and you have Epic Game Launcher is there. Yes, Epic Game Launcher, you need to click repair. Right click and go to repair and click the repair. It take a few seconds, so be patient. If it's not repair is not working means you need to uninstall the launcher and again need to install. So this is the fix the issue. So this is how to fix. So thanks for watching. So and one more things, you need to restart it after doing all the things. So thanks for watching.